Want to create a QR code for WhatsApp in Unicode, but not sure if it's the best option? Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to do it, plus a few critical things you need to know before choosing Unicode, including some better alternatives that offer more for your needs. First, head to Unicode's dashboard. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. The platform offers a free trial, but it's pretty limited compared to what you'll find elsewhere. Once inside, select Create QR Code and choose the WhatsApp option. Next, enter your WhatsApp number with the correct country code. This is where Unicode keeps things simple. Your QR code will instantly generate a pre-filled message when scanned, making it easy for users to contact you. Now, let's talk customization. Unicode allows you to change the QR code's design, add your logo, and adjust colors. But here's the catch. Some of these features are locked behind a paid plan, and you might find yourself needing an upgrade just for basic branding. Moving on, Unicode provides tracking and analytics, so you can see how many people scan your QR code. However, if you need advanced insights like heat maps or deeper user data, Unicode's analytics are fairly basic compared to other platforms that provide richer reporting. Before you finalize your QR code, make sure to test it. Unicode does a good job of ensuring compatibility, but remember, once a static QR code is created, you can't edit it. You'll need to generate a new one if you want changes. Dynamic QR codes are editable, but again, they require a paid plan. So, should you use Unicode? It's decent for basic WhatsApp QR codes, but if you're serious about branding, tracking, and flexibility, there are better alternatives. That's why we've added an exclusive and extended free trial to a more feature-packed QR code generator in the description, plus some amazing alternatives that offer even more flexibility for WhatsApp and business use. Check them out using our link to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.